Hey guys, welcome to Tag Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you download Instagram story. So let's continue to Instagram. After going to Instagram, you can see in the top who you might follow shared stories. So just click on one. After clicking on one, you can see in the top right three dot icon. Click on the three dot icon. After clicking the three dot icon, you can see the second option, copy link. Click on copy link. After the link is copied, you need to go to Google. After going to Google, you can see the first option, Instagram story downloader. You need to search for Instagram story downloader. Because I am already searched it is in the first option. After searching for Instagram story downloader, you can see many websites. I'm just going to the first one. After going to the first one, you can see here search bar. You need to press it for a second and it will show paste option. Click on paste. Now you can download it. Click on download. After clicking on download, you need to check captcha. Click on the box, I'm not a robot. After clicking on box, you can see the story. Click on save as video. After clicking on save as video, you can see in the bottom right three dot icon. Click on the three dot icon. After clicking the three dot icon, you can see download option. Click on download. You can see the video is downloading and it is downloaded. Click on open. Guys, this is how can you download story on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.